Alright, so this code is a Python-based voice-to-voice translation app, and it's leveraging technologies like AssemblyAI for speech recognition, ElevenLabs for text-to-speech synthesis, and Gradio for a user-friendly interface. Now, this app primary function is to enable users to input audios in English, which is transcribed or translated into popular languages. In this case, I just placed 6 popular languages. So I basically created the app. Yes, it's a side project I really wanted to test out, and I wanted to use my own voice. So, for example, if I'm speaking with someone and I want to speak to the person in another language, but should come from my voice. So it's basically why I created an app like this. So I'm going to run the application now. So if you want to check out more details, I'm going to upload this in my GitHub repository. Also on my website, you're going to see a detailed explanation of the code process and the thought process behind the codes and everything. So you can check that out. But basically, you will need your AssemblyAI API key. You also need your ElevenLabs API key, and then you will need, your voice ID. So if you're using ElevenLabs, for example, there is a place you can get your voice ID from. Show you. So on my ElevenLabs, this is my ElevenLabs, and this is the clone of my voice.
Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right.
Let me play it again.
Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you are right.
Alright, so that's the clone of my voice. So if you want to view this and get the ID, so this is my ID, which I will copy and use. And then these are all the text I've done so far. And then, so if you want to use, for example, any of these, Adam, Ali, you could just come here, select the view, and then copy the IDs, and then you can use that. But in this case, I'm going to use my own ID, and I'm going to pause the video and then put on my IP. So you literally, like I said, you just need your AssemblyAI API key, which you can get from AssemblyAI. Simply just log in, and then you create an account. You can try it out for free. You also need your ElevenLabs. I subscribed to their page for a month, which allowed me to be able to clone my voice. And then you need Gradio, let me put it that way, for the user interface. You could as well also use Streamlit, or I just wanted to test out Gradio on this, and Gradio it was a really nice platform to use. So I'm going to run the application now and show you how this works. So alright, so I've inserted my ElevenLabs API key, I've inserted my Assembly API key, and I've also inserted my voice ID. But let me just run this application and show you how this works. So let's see. So all the requirements you need, they are in these requirements.txt. And so yeah, I'm going to do. So for this, you could run it like this. You could say Python and the name of the application, or you can just say Gradio. So the reason why you can use Gradio just like this is so that in case you make certain changes on the code, it would change in real time on the platform. You don't need to just need to refresh the page and then just to update. So let me just put the so alright, so this is the application here. So basically, I just gave it this name, Lingual Speak, Record English and Hear Popular Translations. So what you can simply do, you can simply upload your audio, or you can just record your audio, which I'm going to do now. But there's something I want to show you real quick. Let me take you to ElevenLabs and show you something right now. Alright, so this is my ElevenLabs here. So basically, like I said, I'm subscribed to this plan. But normally when you subscribe on ElevenLabs, they will give you free 10,000 credits. I think I'm going to put a link in this description which you can sign up with. They'll give you 10,000 credits which you can use for this. But the thing is that it will not allow you to clone your own voice. So I wanted to clone my own voice, and that was why I subscribed to this plan. So this is my own voice. You can, all right. So simply, if you want to use any of this voice to test it out, like I said, you can simply click on view, and then you can copy the ID. In my case, I'm using my own ID. I will not want to show that in this video, but basically, yeah, you can use the ID. So I just want to show you that real quick, and then let me just get back in the. All right, so let's get this application working. So basically, like I said, you can simply upload your audio, or you can just click to record with your microphone. So we're going to do that in this case. Hello, how you doing today? Good morning. So you just click stop and watch it live. What happened? Processing. So while it's processing, let's just play this. Hello, how you doing today? Good morning. So you just click stop. All right, our translation is ready. You can see Spanish, you can see Turkish, you can see Japanese, you can see French, you can see German, and you can see Chinese. Let's play it and see. So this is Spanish.
Hola. ¿Cómo estás hoy? Buenos días. Entonces, ¿solo haces clic en parar?
Wow, sounds so beautiful. So let's play the Turkish.
Merhaba. Bugün nasılsınız? Günaydın. Yani sadece durdura mı tıklıyorsun?
Wow. So let me hear myself in Japanese.
Konnichiwa. O genki desu ka? Ohayo gozaimasu. Choushi o click suru dake desu ka?
So beautiful. Let me hear myself in French.
Bonjour. Comment allez-vous aujourd'hui? Bonjour. Alors vous cliquez simplement sur Arrêter.
It's just so beautiful. So German.
Hallo. Wie geht es dir heute? Guten Morgen. Also klickst du einfach auf Stopp.
And let's hear it in Chinese, I guess, the last one.
你好，您今天好吗？早上好。所以您只需点击停止即可。
It's so beautiful. And basically, you can also download if you want to. You can download it if you want to and have it, and then just play it and the likes. So I'm going to leave in the description box below. I'm going to leave a link to my GitHub, my GitHub repository, where I'm going to explain the codes and the thought process behind it. And also, I'm going to leave a link to my website if you want to check it out. And if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, share. Thank you very much. And that will be all for this video. Thank you.